In this video, I'm going to share that how you can use Anthropic's new AI tool, Claude Cowork, to automate your daily task. And in this video specifically, we'll look in the scheduling feature of this Claude Cowork. So if you're someone who need to do daily task at a specific time, then using this feature inside the Claude Cowork will be a game changer for you, because scheduling feature will allow you to do repetitive tasks at a scheduled time. By using the Claude Cowork, it will do these things for you without your presence. So I'll show you just two examples using this scheduling feature, and I believe that after watching this video you can understand these things and you can do these things for yourself. To use the Claude Cowork in your device, you need to download the Claude application, and for that you have to come to claude.com/download and then just download that for your Windows or like Mac, whatever you use, and make sure that you are on the pro plan of Claude, because if you are using the Claude in free, then you can't get access the Cowork. So after just installing, when you open the Claude Cowork and if you add your account, then it will show you something like this. At first you can see that at the top side we are in the chat. In this case we want to use the Cowork so that you can schedule a daily task, and for that I'll just go to Cowork. And when you open the Cowork, it will look something like this, and here we have to go to the scheduling feature, and for that I'll just type / and then I'll go with schedule. And after selecting this schedule command, right now we have to give the task what do we really want to automate. So in this case, just for the testing purposes, just to show you, I want a automated task for my stock analyzation. So what I want is every day Claude Cowork will go to the internet at a specific time, for example like 8 a.m. or like 10 p.m. and then it will analyze the stock prices by analyzing the market and just going to some specific websites, and then it will come to me and it will suggest me that you should invest on these stocks today and you should ignore these stocks today. And also it will give me a market overview, and also it will give me a little bit a description that why I should that, why I shouldn't do these things, kind of like this. So for that I'll just give the command like this. By the way, you'll get all of the resources of today's video inside the Hello AI community, so the link will be in the description. If you want to learn more about these AI tools, then you can join. So in here, as you can see, I said every morning at 8 a.m. save a report to my desktop called stock brief today's day.pdf. And at first you have to search the web for today's top 5 trending stocks in the US market, and then you have to go for each stock, find out the current price, percentage change today, reason it's moving, short-term outlook, and third, search for any major news today that could affect investments. Write a section, today's opportunities, list 2 to 3 stocks worth watching to potentially buy with a one-line reason for each. Write a section, avoid today, where you have to list 2 to 3 stocks or sectors to stay away from today with a one-line reason, and end with short paragraph, today's market mode, is it a good day to invest or wait, and at last give the report clear and easy to read in under 5 minutes. And after that, in here we have to select a folder where we can actually put these PDFs. So for that I have to just go here, work in a folder, and then I have to just go with choose a different folder. And here remember that by default where will come in that exact place you have to create a folder. For example, just to show you, if I just select folder D of mine PC, and then I just go with like select folder, then it will say something like this: this is not my home directory. So that's from Anthropic. Basically what will be your home directory of your Mac or of your Windows. In that exact place you have to create the folder, or in that exact place you have to select the folder. For that, when I actually go with like choose a different folder, so this is basically my home directory, and in here I just kind of like create a folder, new, this one, and here I just kind of like give a name as like stock analysis report. Awesome. And after creating the folder, I'll just select that, and then I'll just go with always allow. As you can see, we just selected the folder, and right now just go with let's go, so that we can add this task as a scheduled in our Claude Cowork. And that's something you also have to remember, that your Claude have to be open in your PC in that exact time. So as you saw that in here we given 8 a.m. so it means every day at 8 a.m. The Claude application have to be opened in my device, otherwise this Cowork can't do this exact task, so it will skip the task in this day. So if you compare to do it like N10 or make.com, this kind of automation tool, those tools can do kind of things even if you're offline or like your device is turned off, because those things run on the cloud. But the Claude Cowork or the Claude AI can't do these things. So maybe they will just soon update their feature. Right now they're actually going with this thing. So yeah, just remember that. So as you can see that the task in here, it's completed, and it's saying you can also run it manually anytime just by going to the schedule section, and it will give me this thing as I requested. So right now let's check how it works, and for that I'll just kind of like go in the schedule section, and if I go to the scheduled, here you can see this is the daily stock brief schedule in here. If I just click that, here you can see I can see that, and also if I want I can edit that thing. The thing is, every day at 8 a.m. it will run, and right now it's like 6 a.m. so obviously I can't run that. I have to wait 2 hours. So instead I'll just manually trigger that thing. For that I'll just go here, run now, and as you can see it started the work. And if I go with view, here you can see it actually doing the work, and at the right side you can see there's the progress bar. It's showing 3 progress bars, and also it's showing that why it will actually add those things at the analyzation report of the PDF. And here's the context, what it will really do. It's actually use the daily stock brief. It will go to the web search, and then it will actually just generate the PDF. So you can see here's the progress bar. At first it will reading the PDF skill instructions. The instructions are in the skill section, by the way. The second thing it will do is research top trending stocks today. As you can see, it's researched all of the websites which are top trending. So after the opening, as you can see that it actually going through to this website. There's so many websites all over stock. It kind of like finding out what is the today's base stocks and what is the today's old stock. You can see the major market news today, also fetching all the news just by itself. Okay, it's saying good, I have the data right now. How many websites related with like stock? It actually scraped all of the websites. We don't need to go with any kind of like API. We don't need to give any kind of like passwords, kind of like this thing. We need to give any kind of like subscription of any tools. We don't need anything, just Claude Cowork is enough for this task by itself. It says now I have enough data, now I'll just create the PDF, and now it's saying that it's kind of like creating the PDF, and soon it will actually done the work. So as you can see that it's kind of like saying your daily stock brief is ready. Here's a quick summary. So if I click here, I can actually see the stock analyzation. So for some reason it's not showing in here. So let me go to my folder, and for that I'll just kind of like click in the folder section, and I can see there's the PDF in here. And if I kind of like open that, awesome, just look at this, the quality of that stock analysis, just it did in just 1 minute, I guess. So you can see the stock brief of March 6, 2026 has like a 5-minute market snapshot. Here you can see all the things in here. The section 1, top 5 trending stocks. I should spend the money today, it's saying that. So let me just make that a little bit big so that I can show you the quality of the writing. You can see the first one is the TTD, AVGO, GXAI, CIN, ANF. So these are the top 5 trending stocks. And in the section 2 it's saying these things: market news to watch, all spark and Middle East tensions, February jobs report due Friday, AI growth, purgatory warning. By the way, I had given this PDF in the description so that also you can check this by yourself just to understand the quality. And here's a section 3 for today's opportunities. It's saying should invest on TTD, AVGO, energy stocks. Okay, and why? Also it's saying that in here. And in the section 4 is saying avoid today, airline stocks, CIN, broad software. Okay, by the way, if you're watching this video today, then you should obviously avoid these 3 stocks. And here's a section 5, today's market mode. Today leans cautious to bearish, and there's some kind of like simple summary on that. I don't want to read that because I really don't want to just waste your time. So now just think about like this: you are a stock investor, and every day at 6 a.m. or like 2 p.m., whatever time you really choose, in that exact time you get an analysis report automatically in your folder. And when you just get that, you open that, you read that for like 4 or 5 minutes, and after getting the idea, you actually go to the stock market, then you actually invest the money on that. So but right now, maybe before using this analysis report, before using the Cowork, maybe you have to actually go to the X, and there you have to actually spend 2 hours, 3 hours, you know what, just to understand the market, just to get all of the updates about the stock, kind of like this thing. And also right now, maybe actually using a tool that you are giving like $50 or like $100 per month just to get this kind of like the same informations, even like in very low quality, because the prediction are very bad, kind of like this. And even like sometimes those kind of like tools will give you the old data, not updated informations, right? So that's the first way you can actually use these things, and that's the first example. There will be like a several example, but I want to just give you 2 examples real quick so that you can understand that how you can actually use these things for yourself. So let me go to the second example. In this case, instead of giving a prompt like this, we want to manually schedule a task, and for that I'll just go there, schedule section, and then you can see there's the already one we created just now. And if you want to create another one manually, then go with new task, and then you have to actually give this kind of informations. So the first you have to give a name. In this case I just go with price dash drop down. Okay, and then in the place of description, so in this case I want to monitor my wishlist products and alert me if the price get drop down. So what I really want is like another automated task that Cowork will do for me. I'll actually give some wishlist products, and it will actually look for every day at a specific time to Amazon or this kind of like selling platforms to stores. So if the prices got down for any reasons, then it will say me, you know what, these prices got down and you should buy these things right now, kind of like this. So for that I'll just go to the prompt section, and I'll just give this prompt. Again, I had given this prompt also inside the Hello AI community. So in here I say I have a shopping wish list, search the web for the content prices and these products. So in here I just added some random products, Sony WH, Logitech MX, the Samsung 27 monitor, kind of like this. For each product, find out the current best price on Amazon or any major retailer, compare it to the typical or original retail price, tell me if it's good time to buy or I have to wait for a better deal. So I hope you understand what you're really wanting right now. And in here I said then save a file called price alert today's date.pdf. So in this case you can actually go with .md. So .md will be like a markdown file, and that's ideal if you wanna use that inside a code box or like inside a code editor, VS Code, anti-gravity, kind of like this thing. But if you actually go to with a PDF, then it will be ideal if you want to read that. So at the last I said, you know what, save this in this folder. So in this case I don't really want to say that which folder I want to go with. Instead I say that to the selected folder, and then I said with the product name, current best price, where to buy, should I buy or wait, and at the last I said end with a best deal today section highlighting the single best purchase opportunity. At the last, in the place of frequency, I can choose here, do I want to go with manually, hourly, daily. So in this case I want to just go with daily, and then in here I can actually choose the time, which time I want to just go with. So I just go with like randomly 9 AM, and in the place of more options, and here we can select that do you want to use the Opus 4.6, and which is the base model by the way. And if you want to just go with like Sonnet 4.6, which is the middle ranged model, and that's ideal for like every task. So I just go with like Sonnet 4.6, and in the place of folder to work in, again we have to just select another folder, or if you want you can just select the same folder. Further, just click here and then go with like choose a different folder, and here you have to actually select the folder where you want to just kind of like select. Otherwise you can actually create one, and I just kind of like go with new and go with another folder, and I said, you know what, price drop down analysis. Okay, so that like I can actually find that like where it will be. Basically in this case I'm actually using my PC, which is like the desktop. So for that it will be in my user section in the MSI. So you can understand that where it will actually add this thing. If you click here and you can see that's the folder I'm actually using. So it will be C folder in the user's name under the MSI, and that will be the folder. So you can actually understand that which folder really we're using easily. And then I'll just go with save, and right now you can see that we just added 2 tasks, and that's the one we just added. And again, like we can wait here until 9 AM to actually watch this thing. For that I'll just manually trigger that, just go with run now. And right now what's gonna happen, it will actually go to the Amazon or like this kind of like marketplaces, and it will find out my wishlist products. In here I just added 3 just to show you, and then it will see is the prices is lower than the retailer price, or kind of like this thing or not. If yes, then it will suggest me to buy this product, and if no, then it will say, you know, hold on, just wait for some day, kind of like this. So as you can see, as like the previous one, it's actually done the work very quickly, and it's saying that I had executed this scheduled task now, and your price alert report is ready. So if you click here you can see that, go to my folder, and then if I just open that, here you can see that's the complete overview. Just really cool, right? So first of all, actually making this PDF in HTML format, then it's actually converting that to a .pdf. So if I kind of like zoom a little bit, price alert report for this date, Sony, this product I actually requested, so that's why it's saying, you know what, buy on Amazon. Again, it's kind of like giving me the link. If I click here, I'll be directly to the link. Awesome. And it's saying that discount is 38%, and that much saving really will be if you actually buy this from right now, 150 savings. That's the current price, by the way. And yeah, just go there, buy now, Bardic saying. So here's a crazy thing, if you notice that if I just go to the product right now, it actually selected this product by itself, because I didn't say that, you know what, just go to this website or just go to this exact product and find this exact product, but I just given the name like Sony WH, that's it, and it actually find out which seller or which store actually selling that exact product at the lowest price but with the best quality. Really cool. So like this, the Logitech, it's saying 20% off and you should buy this right now. Okay, maybe actually if I need, I will obviously buy one. Best ever recorded price, real sale on this highly popular mouse that almost never goes on sale. So you can understand that if you really want to actually buy something, you know what, and if you're actually planning to buy these things, so in this case, like for a week or like for a month, you actually go to the internet and actually see these things, you know what, when the price will be go down, when actually these websites will show some discounts for your exact products, and then you can actually buy that. But right now, Claude Cowork will do these things for you. It will just, you know, keep the eye on those products for you, and every day it will give you the updates. You know what, this is the today's update, this is the yesterday update, that will be the tomorrow update, kind of like this thing. And you can actually easily buy this product. And it's saying something like best deal today for the Samsung 27 monitor. Why? It's saying that it is like 55% off, and if I buy this right now from this link, I will just save kind of like $230 will be saved. If I go to this link, okay, as you can see that the best thing in here is not using only just Amazon to buy the product. Basically it's kind of like just scraping the whole website. It's kind of like finding out the best website to buy that exact product. Really cool. So I hope now you actually got understanding how you can actually do the things, and I just showed two only simple examples, and that are really cool. I believe that that will be very helpful for most of the people who are actually watching this video. But just think about if you're a little bit become creative, and how many works you literally can automate just by giving some prompts, just by, you know, manually just giving the schedule. So yeah, like if you want to learn more about these things, you know what, then you should definitely subscribe to this channel. I really appreciate that, guys. And if you like the video, make sure to give a like, and also let me know what's your thought on this thing in the comment box, and what kind of videos you really want related with like Claude AI or Claude Cowork or Claude Code. I'm already kind of like making some videos on these things, and soon I'll upload that. As like always, see you with a new video. Till then, peace.